This week on Scam School, Joe Diamond gives us a miracle so good, they perform it to you, you lazy bastard. All right, toast me, toast me, toast me! I think this is a Scam School first. The first time we've had a bachelorette party join us for Scam School. This is amazing. We have Samantha and Melissa and Ashley and Nina. I want all of you guys to meet my friend Joe Diamond, who has genuine wizard powers. He's an actual wizard.
And I learned my supernatural gifts from a very, very occult source. The Ghostbusters movie with Bill Murray. At the beginning of the movie, Bill Murray has these cards with different symbols on them: the plus sign, circle, bacon, square. Or wavy lines. But these are used for testing ESP. But I also have one other item that tests ESP: a pendulum. Have you ever used a pendulum before?
No.
First time for everything. Hold out your dominant hand and hold on to the top of the pendulum, and just hold it over the plus sign. You'll notice it starts to swing back and forth in a straight line over that pendulum.
There it is.
And there it goes. But here's the weird thing. If I take it away and we have the circle, you'll notice it adjusts and starts going in a circle.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Now here's the cool thing. You can use this to ask questions.
Okay.
A circle means no, a straight line means yes.
Okay.
So here, mix these up and then place them on the table.
Like out? Or?
Yeah. Spread out. Okay. And put your finger down on any one of them. It's your choice. Okay. Do you want to change your mind?
No.
Okay, look at it. Don't show any of us, though. Don't show Brian. Don't show anybody else. Look at it. Remember the symbol? Mix them all up now. Mix them all up.
Okay.
Yeah, mix them up so you lose track of which one is which. So you know which symbol you have in mind, but you now don't know
Where it is.
amongst all of these, right? And we'll put these out in a random order here, okay? Here's the idea. Place your hand on mine. Just think of the symbol. Okay, that's a circle, so that means a no. That means that's not your symbol. And keep going, that's also a circle. Watch its movement. It should. Oh, you see it change there?
Yeah.
When a straight line, if I go over it, becomes a circle. What symbol? Yeah, that's a straight line. What symbol do you have in mind?
Square.
A square, turn it over. Let's see how we did.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the thing. This doesn't just work with me, because it moved in your hands a moment ago. You take it, we're gonna trade.
Oh, God.
I'll mix these up. I'm gonna pick one.
Can I pick one? Can I be the one?
You're not a wizard.
Okay. I just want to participate.
We can look at. Yeah. We won't show them this time. We won't show them this time.
Pick me.
We won't show them this time. So we'll put them out. Place your hand on mine. Okay. Hold it over each one. It'll go in a. It should start going in a circle or a straight line. 4 of them will be a circle. 1 of them will be a straight line. That's looking like a circle. Okay. Yeah. Keep going. That's a circle. Okay. Oh, that's okay. You need to adjust.
Circle.
Okay, keep going. See?
That's a circle.
Another circle, yeah.
Let's see.
It's super
It's holding
light.
off all the way.
They're all no.
Yeah, that's okay. Go back if that's the case. It'll start changing direction over just one of them. It should change direction. Yep, keep holding. Oh, that's adjusting. That's adjusting.
Signal.
That's a clear signal. Here's the thing, I picked the square again. Let's see how you did.
Oh, I have energy. Am I a wizard?
You are a wizard.
Okay.
You are a wizard.
On a level of kangaroo to brain explosion, how good is this?
So good.
Pretty good. You guys want to learn this?
Yes.
Then toast me and we'll reveal his secrets.
Woo, let's learn.
Writing stuff down on a piece of...
Bryce,
Oh, hey Jeff, what's going on?
where's Brian Brushwood? I have the most amazing business idea. I need to register a domain right now.
Brian's on vacation. What's your business idea?
Bird dates.
Like a calendar?
No, you go on a date with a bird. It's like Tinder for birds. Macaws, crows, owls, we got them all.
It's a great business idea.
Okay.
We'll have to talk about that later. All you need is a domain.
Okay.
Go to domain.com.
Like in a car?
No, on your computer, at home.
Okay.
On your phone,
Where the birds are.
where the birds are.
Okay.
Right? Get yourself a .com, get a .net,
But I want that pizza.
get a .pizza.
Okay.
Get a .pizza, and when you check out, use promo code SCAMSCHOOL, you'll get 15% off.
I'm
This many.
I'm still not understanding. Can you do it like Brian? Do it like Brian does it.
Hey, check it out. Go to domain.com, use promo code SCAMSCHOOL for 15% off.
Okay. Ah!
Yeah, okay, so you got it?
I got it.
Okay, great.
Oh man, finally.
What's a bird date?
You just go on a date with a bird. What's so difficult?
Do I have to eat seeds?
No, you eat whatever and the bird is...
So what I love about this trick is that Joe combined two ideas that we've expressed on Scam School before, but did it in a totally novel way, and in a way that I think is super believable because it happened in your hands. You had the power.
I did it.
Yep. Do any of you guys have any guesses as to how this is done?
Some kind of magnet?
Okay, that's good. Yeah, a lot of people think there's something about the pendulum.
First things first, the pendulum. You can get these in any kind of metaphysical store if you want a nice, pretty one like this. They have them in gems, they have them in different sizes, everything. You can literally just get a ring on a string.
Anything.
necklace.
Your necklace will work. As a matter of fact, take your necklace.
Oh,
Go ahead. Here, take out your necklace.
Hold her necklace, hold it still, and just concentrate on it swinging in a straight line. You'll notice it starts to adjust and swing in a straight line. Now imagine it opens up into a circle, and it starts opening up into a circle.
Oh, that's weird.
Now here's the thing. Now just think of a direction. Just think of a direction. Straight line this way, circle. The only direction you can't think of is up and down. Just think of a direction, and you'll concentrate, and it'll go in the direction you're merely thinking of. Look, and if you change your mind and think of a different direction, it'll adjust and go in the new direction you're thinking of.
So this to me is the closest thing to real magic that I've experienced. This is called Michel Eugene Chevreul's pendulum. French scientist back in the 1800s used to experiment with these for dowsing, and he figured out that once he put up a partition, the pendulum was supposed to freak out over mercury and not freak out if it wasn't mercury, but once he put up a partition and he didn't know what it was supposed to do, it didn't do anything. And he figured out that whatever it is you think of, your body makes small micromuscular movements in accordance with it, and you don't see these consciously, but they get amplified over the pendulum.
But here's the cool thing, a lot of skeptics go that way, but at the same time, you are making a thought in your mind manifesting reality for all of us to experience, which is pretty cool. So in this case, we're doing a show and we want to make sure not only that I find it, but that my newly psychic participant finds it.
Obviously.
So here's what we've got. These ESP cards are marked. They are secretly marked. You can mark cards in a variety of ways. You can literally take 5 business cards, draw these symbols on them, and then color in one of the letters in the business card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. I know guys who get business cards printed with different phone numbers on them and use that for the marking. There's a lot of different ways you can mark these. The way it normally goes is a circle is 1, because that's a circle, 1. A plus sign is 2 strokes. Wavy lines is 3. Square is 4 sides, and a star is 5. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you have your mark cards, whether you get ones from a magic shop or you make them at the bar, you show what they all are, you mix them up, and you say to someone, pick whichever one you want. Pick whichever. They can mix them, they can lay
So
them
here,
up.
I'll be the sucker on this.
So yeah,
pick
you-
whichever
So here,
one you want.
I'm gonna take this one.
Okay, now I see that's the star. Worst case
Because it's
scenario,
5.
worst case scenario, I can look away and say, you look at that and just double check there's 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
and 4. So I know what he has. So even if I look away, I can say, take any one you want out. Have you taken one, look at it. It still looks like I'm not looking at it, I'm just seeing what's left behind. Now you mix them up. Doesn't matter how much you mix them, doesn't matter. You lay them out on the table. And now I don't consciously think about moving it. I literally just think of a circle. I take their hand and I just think of a circle, and I usually get it in this position. These, right? And we'll put these out in a random order here, okay? So it's a circle over a lot of them, and then suddenly it shifts. And you can look, my hand really isn't moving that
Right.
much. It is
Yeah.
weird. The other thing is too, don't worry about doing this too obviously because you're moving your hand across anyway.
Right.
So, but again, just genuinely think about it. You don't have to worry about that part. That's the star. Now, you've already worked with the pendulum. I know you can get it to move.
Yes.
You just need it to move over the one I choose. I don't care which one I look at. I pulled out the wavy lines when Brian and I looked
We
at it.
were both totally faking. We're like, oh yeah,
When
we'll
we lay
remember
these
that
out,
one.
I just
Yeah.
wait to see, and I say it'll go in a circle
You
over
were
4.
like, yeah, that's the one I
Yeah,
chose.
yeah. So when you start going like
So you're
this,
just lying to us.
so when you start going like this, you happen to pick the square again. So I just said, because it changed over the square, and I just said, well, I picked the square, let's see how you did. Because again, apparently I don't know how you're doing for this either. But let's say in this case, it went in a straight line. Say, okay, well, I picked the bacon this time. Let's see how you
Because
did.
you knew which
And
card
now-
it was.
Yep, because I know which one it is
And
from
then
the
you
mark.
fool the
Yep.
people at the...
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
can you ladies perform this for us?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
100%. Can I lie? Probably.
Why, Joe Diamond, I do believe we're in the presence of a genuine supernatural power.
Yes, Melissa.
All right, well, let's, Melissa, what do you got?
That's me. I got these like really cool cards right here.
Yeah.
They actually are from Ghostbusters, if my memory serves
Yes,
me
that's
correctly.
right, they are.
There's
Yes.
like a square.
Yeah.
There's this like cool circle.
Yeah.
There's this bacon weave
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
There's this awesome star, and then there's this cross because you know
yeah,
his name cross. So they're just these awesome little cards, and I am going to use this little pendulum thing here
Okay.
to figure out which one of these cards you picked from
Okay.
a little.
Does that
All
mean
right.
I get to pick one of these cards?
Yeah. Hold on just one second.
Oh yeah, she's gotta
pick
pick
your
some.
favorite.
Let her, yeah.
Take a moment.
It's Melissa's show, Brian.
I didn't mean to rush the talent.
You pick any one of those cards that you want.
Here,
I'm not
just
gonna look. I'm not gonna look. You just pull it out. All right.
This
All
one.
right.
Okay, got it.
There you go.
Got it.
Guys.
You're gonna put that right there, wherever you want.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Oh, you can slide it back in.
Can I mix them?
You can mix them.
Yeah, mix those up, Brian.
Okay,
Brian,
good.
mix those.
I'm mixing
Mix
them.
them.
I swear, Joe, I'm mixing them as fast as I can.
You know what?
All right, there we go.
There. All right.
All right. So I'm gonna take this little pendulum,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna pick which card that you decided on. A circle means no.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
And
No.
a little differentiation in this little movement,
Yeah.
that means yes.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
so like
you
it's
got it.
straight.
So
All
if
right.
it's yes, that means that's your card, right?
Got it.
Okay.
Got
All right.
it.
All right.
All right, let's do this. Let's
see,
do
let's
this.
do this.
All right.
Let's do this.
So
Circle.
Oh, that's a no. That's a no.
Circle.
That's a no.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
that moving?
Oh, that's a.
That's
straight line.
differentiation.
Is that it? Is that it? Is that it?
We
Is
did
that
the
your
bacon,
card?
the three wavy
Is
lines.
that-
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Right?
Oh.
Guys, I'm just gonna let you know that you can do this too.
What?
What?
What? We can use the pendulum of
Yes.
power. What?
I have just empowered it upon you.
What? I don't believe you.
You
I'm
wanna
going to
get in
shuffle
on
up
that?
these cards and
You
make
do
you
it.
pick one.
Do it.
There we go. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
all right,
Pick
all
one
right.
of these.
All right. All
Okay,
right.
you guys got it?
All right.
All right, mix it up in here. Mix it up in here. All right, here we go.
I'm gonna mix them, and I'm gonna deal them.
Yeah,
You know
got
what?
it.
I'm gonna try to find it.
Here, I'm gonna be the psychic conduit between the two of you. That is a circle. No, that's no. This can't work through two people.
Keep it moving.
No, no.
What?
That's a straight line. That's a straight line.
What
did
was
you
it?
pick?
I picked the bacon again. So is it the bacon?
Oh!
Dude, you guys were fantastic. Congratulations. That's amazing.
Awesome.
Joe Diamond is a living legend, and this is one of my favorite types of effect. Anytime you could take a random spectator and they do magic for you and they don't even know how they did it, how great is that? Show him some love over at his Twitter, and of course you and I should be best friends at twitter.com/Schwood. There is no C in Schwood. If you haven't seen it yet, you gotta get caught up on The Modern Rogue. Jason Murphy and I are on a quest to be the ultimate gentleman, warrior, and scoundrel, up to shenanigans like these. I don't even know if that foam is coming up because of the heat.
Wait, and. Ooh, see, that's the scary part.
Yeah. It's a tree. It's hi. How are you? I'm still here. I'll just hide. I'm still here. It's, you can't. I'm not. Right now it's getting awkward. This is a tree that I'm just gonna lean on casually, on purpose, because that's what I meant to do. That's me. That's a guy. Got a plan and I stick to it. This tree. Edgar. His name's Edgar.